last lecture we have already discussed about the prefix codes and weighted trees here, where the prefix codes will also be called the Huffman's codes. Huffman's codes. Here we are today discussing the topic that is optimal tree. So what is actual meaning of the optimal tree here? So here we have a set of weights given a set of weights will be there. Suppose we consider a set of all complete binary trees. Suppose we have consider the set of all binary trees to whose leaves these weights, means whatever the weights we have considered, these weights are assigned. So first we have considered the set of weights, and then we consider the set of all binary trees to whose leaves these weights are assigned. A tree, now I am coming to the definition. A tree in this set which carries the minimum weight, is a tree in this set which carries the minimum weight is called an optimal tree. Is called an optimal tree for the weights. So suppose we have a set of weights. And we consider the set of all complete binary trees whose leaves these weights are assigned. For those binary trees to whose leaves these weights are assigned, then a tree in that set which carries the minimum weight means smallest value of the weight, is called a optimal tree of the weight. Optimal tree for the weight. Now for the given set of weights, there can be a more than one optimal tree. For the given set of weights, there may be the more than one optimal tree, means more than one minimum weight is there. So that is called, for the given set of weights, more than one optimal tree may be present. There can be more than one optimal tree may be present for the given set of weights here. Now I am going to the procedure how to construct the optimal tree. Construction of an optimal tree for a given set of weights. Here. Suppose we have a weights like, suppose we have a set of weights 4, 15, 25, 5, 8, 16 with a set of 6 weights. First we have to arrange these 6 weights in the increasing order. First we have to construct these weights. So in the increasing order means 4, 5, 8, 15, 16, 25. After arranging these weights in the increasing order, assign them to 6 isolated vertices. Assign them as isolated vertices and give a name as A, B, C, D, E, F. Assign them to the 6 vertices A, B, C, D, E, F. After assigning them, we have to note that the vertices A and B carry the smallest weights. in the entire, we have to consider the two smallest vertices, those will be A and B. These are the two smallest weights. Add these two weights. Add these two weights and we get 5 plus 4, 9. Give that 9 and assign a vertex new one, that is V1. Draw a tree V1 as the root and A and B as its children and leave the remaining vertices as it is. Means in the entire we have to add two weights, minimum values. Means smallest weights of these vertices are 4 and 5. Add these two. 5 plus 4 is 9. And consider this one as a new vertex V1 as a root and A and B as a children. A and B as a children. And remaining vertices is C, D, E, F. Keep them as it is. Keep them as it is. Now the vertex V1 has a weight 9. Now we have to left these A and B. Now we have to consider only V1, C, D, E, F. Simply consider V1, C, D, E and F. So among these vertices, now we have to see which vertices will carry the smallest weights. V1 having the weight 9, C having the weight 8. These are the two smallest weights, V1 and C. Now we have to add V1 and VC. Sorry, V1 and C. That is 9 plus 8 is 15. Sorry, 9 plus 8 is 17. So now we have to assign a new vertex V2 as a root, V1 and C as a child. We have to keep V1. We have to add V1 and C, and V1 and C becomes a child for the new vertex V2. We have to consider a new vertex V2. For the V2, we have to construct a tree where V2 is a root, V1 and C is a child. For the V2, we assign a weight. We assign the weight, that is 9 plus 8 is 17. Assign a weight for the V2, that is 17. And now the remaining vertices are keeping as it is. D, E and F. D, E, F will be keeping as it is. Now the remaining vertices, now we have to neglect these vertices. Just consider only the V2, D, E, F. Now among these V2, D, E, F, the smallest weights are V2 having the weight 17, D having the weight 15, E having the weight 16. So the smallest weights of the vertices are D and E. Now we have to add the vertices D and E. Add their weights. To get a new weight, add their weights D and F to get the new weight. 15 plus 16 is 31. Assign this vertex to the new vertex. Already V1 and V2 are considered. Now consider the one more new vertex V3 and assign the weight. 15 plus 16 is 31 and keep the remainings as it is. V2, V1, C, A and B. Now we have to add D and E. We have to draw a tree for the new vertex V3 as a root, D and E as a child. Assign a weight for the V3 as 15 plus 16, that is 31, and keep the F as it is. And V2 having the weight 17. Now the remaining vertices are V2, V3 and F are the remaining vertices here. Now among these V2, V3, F, smallest weights are V2 having the weight 17, F having the weight 25, V3 having the weight 31. Now the smallest weights among these vertices are, that is V2 and F. Now add a weights of 17 and 25. Add a weights of 17 and 25. We get a 42. Assign a new vertex V4. Assign this weight to the new vertex V4 and take a V4 as a root, V2 and F as a child. So then the graph will becomes V2 and F will becomes a child for the new vertex V4, and remainings are as it is V1, C, A, B. D, E, V3. V3 having the weight 31. Assign a weight for the V4, that is 17 plus 25, 42. Now the remaining vertices are V4 and V3. V4 and V3 are the remaining vertices. Add these two weights and assign a new vertex, and the last vertex as a root R, and V4 and V3 becomes a child. Now our graph will be like this. Add a weights of 42 and 31 as a root R, and V3 having a D and F. That is how to construct a optimal tree for the given weights. Now we are moving to the next, that is weight of the tree. Weight of a tree. To find the weight of the tree, we already know the weight of A. Weight of A is 4. Length is 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus weight of B is 5. Length is 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus weight of C 8. Length is 1, 2, 3. Come to the F. Weight of F is 15. Sorry, A, B, C. Now come to the D. Weight of D is 15. Length is 2. Now come to the vertex E. E is here. Weight of E is 16. Length is 1, 2. Now come to the vertex F. For the F, weight is 25. Length is 2. Simplify and get the addition of the terms. We get a 172. That is weight of the tree here. So that is how to construct a optimal tree for the given set of weights. So I am just explaining once again the construction of the optimal tree here. In the set of weights, For the set of weights, we have to arrange the weights in the increasing order, and we have to assign vertices to those weights respectively here. respectively here we are giving the vertices as a B, C, D, E, F for the weights 4, 5, 8, 15, 16 and 25. When we start to construct the optimal tree, in these weights we have to consider the two minimum weights. In the set of the vertices, we have to consider the two minimum weights, and we have to add those weights and assign that weight to the new vertex V1, and we have to construct a tree where V1 will be considered as a root, A and V will be act as a child for the V1, and assign a weight as 4 plus 5. That becomes 9. Now the remaining vertices are V1, C, D, E, F. Among these vertices, again we have to consider the two minimum weights, that is 9 and 8. Now we have to add these two weights and give a weight, and we have to consider a new vertex V2. For that V2, we have to assign a weight, that is 9 plus 8, that is 17, and consider a V2 as a root, V1 and C as a child. Consider a V2 as a root. Draw the tree by considering V2 as a root, V1 and C as a child. Keep the remainings as it is. And now the remaining vertices are V2, D, E, F. Among these, minimum weights are 15 and 16, that is D and E. Now we have to assign a new vertex V. Consider a new vertex V3. Assign a weight for the V3, that is 15 plus 16, 31. And keep F as it is. Remaining vertices are now the remaining vertices will be V2, V3 and F. Now among these V2, V3, F, the minimum weights will be 17 and 25. Now add a 17 and 25. Assign this weight to the new vertex V4. Assign this weight to the new vertex V4 and draw the tree by making a V4 as a root and V2 and F as a child. Now the graph is like this. Now the remaining vertices are remaining only V4 and V3. Now take a root R and and draw the tree by making a V4 and V3 as a child. So now we get a tree that is like this, and weight of this tree will be calculated. We get a 172. So the next topic is optimal prefix code. So to construct the optimal prefix code, first we have to, for the given optimal tree, I am taking the same tree that we have already previously constructed. First we have to assign a prefix code for the tree by the procedure that we have already discussed in the previous sessions. That is, for the left side edges towards the child, we have to assign a 0. For the right side edges, from moving from left to right, those will be assigned as a edge 1. Again, right side 0, left side 1. Left side 0, right side 1. Left side 0, right side 1. Left side 0, right side 1. Now we have to give a prefix codes for the vertices A, B, C, D, E, F. For the A, prefix code is 0, 0, 0, 0. For the B, prefix code is 0, 0, 0, 1. For the C, 0, 0, 1. For the D, 1, 0. E, 1, 1. F, 0, 1. That is how to find out the optimal prefix, how to find out the prefix code for the optimal tree. So the binary sequence through which the leaves are identified and yield a prefix code for the symbols representing these leaves. So these prefix codes will be called optimal prefix codes. Clear it is? Optimal prefix code. Now take an example. Construct an optimal prefix codes for the symbols A, O, Q, U, Y, Z that occur with the frequencies. Those will be occurred with the frequencies 20, 28, 4, 17, 12, 7. Now we have to arrange these frequencies in the increasing order. That is 4, 7, 12, 17, 20, 28. A means 20, so take it as A. O means 28. Q means 4. U means 17. Y means 12. Z means 7. They already assigned the symbols and respected frequencies. We just have to arrange them in the increasing order. After arranging them in the increasing order, 2 minimum weights will be added and assign that as a weight to the new vertex V1. Here the minimum weights are 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 equal to 11. Assign this weight to the new vertex V1 and construct a tree by making a V1 as a root and Q and Z. Z and Y and make a Q and Z as a child. Now the remaining vertices are Y, U, A, O having the weights respectively 12, 17, 20, 28. Now among these weights remaining vertices are V1, Y, U, A, O. Among these the 2 minimum weights are 11 and 12. Add these 2 weights and assign the weight V2 as a 11 plus 12 is 23. Assign this weight to the new vertex V2 and make a V1 and Y as a child. And remaining vertices will be keeping as it is. And V2 having a weight 23. U having 17, A having 20, O having 28. Among these vertices, minimum weights are now 17 and 20. Add a 17 and 20 and we get a 37. Assign a 37 as a weight for the new vertex V3. Now the V3 become a root, U and becomes a child. Now the remaining weights are of the vertices V2, V3, O having the weights respectively 23, 37, 28. Now the minimum weights are 23 and 28. Add 23 and 28 we get a 51. Assign a 51 as a weight for the new vertex V4 where the V4 becomes a root of the tree and V2 and O becomes a child for the tree. Then the graph becomes V4, V3 and O becomes a child. Sorry, V2 and O becomes a child. And remaining one is V3, keep as it is, U and E. So now the remaining vertices are V4 and V3 only. So construct a optimal tree, R as a root, V4 and V3 becomes a child. Now we have to assign a prefix codes by the procedure 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we have to find the optimal prefix codes for the Q 0, 0, 0, 0. For the Z 0, 0, 0, 1. For the Y 0, 0, 1. For the O 0, 1. For the U 1, 0. For the A 1, 1. That is how to find the optimal prefix codes. Next example is obtain an optimal prefix code for the message road is a good. Road is a good. And indicate that code. Find out the optimal prefix code for this message. Here, this message consists of the letters R, O, A, D, I, S, G. R is present 1 times. O is 3 times, A also 1 time, D is 2 times, I also 1 times, S also 1 times, and G is also present 1 times. So these are considered as a frequencies, means number of times the letters R, O, A, D, I, S and G will be present. Those will be considered as respectively frequencies. And this message also consists of the 2 blank space. These are called 2 blank space. So blank space is considered like this. This is a blank space. Number of times the blank space is present 1, 2. So this blank space is present 2 times. So these are the called weights for these words and consider with 1 blank space. Now we have to construct these in the increasing order. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times, sorry 5 times. And next is 2, 2, 3. Assign the words as R, A, I, S, G, blank space, D and O. Now we have to add the 2 minimum weights and assign that as a weight to the new vertex V1. So add R and A here first and assign a vertex V1 that having a weight 2. Now the remaining are I, S, G, blank space, D and O. Now the two minimum weights in the remainings are V1 I S G blank space D O. I and S have a two minimum weights. Add them and assign as a new weight. Assign that weight to the new vertex V2. I and S and having a weight 2 and G blank space D and O. Now among these V1, V2, G blank space D O, two minimum weights are V1 and G having the, V2 also have the 2 and 2 weight, but the first we have to consider the vertex V1. So V1 and G having the two minimum weights 2 and 1, add them and assign that as to the weight for the new vertex V3. So now the graph becomes like this. So now we have to see the among the V3, V2 blank space D O, two minimum weights are, we can add a 2 V2 and blank space having the weight 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, assign a 4 as a weight to the new vertex V4. V2 and blank space becomes a child for the new vertex V4 that considered as a root, and remaining will be keeping as it is. Now among the V3 having a weight 3, now V4 having the weight 4, D having the weight 2, O having the weight 3. Now among these two minimum weights are, that is 2 and 3. Add a 2 and 3, that becomes a 5. Assign a 5 as a weight to the new vertex V5. For the V5, V3 and D are childs, and keep the remaining ones as it is. V4 blank space V2 I and S, and O is as it is. Now among these V5, V4, 3, V5 having the weight 5, V4 having the weight 4. Among these again the new two minimum vertices are, means minimum weights of the vertices are V4 and O, having the weights 4 and 3. Now 4 plus 3 is a 7. Assign a 7 as a weight to the new vertex V6, and V4 and O becomes a child for the V6. Now the graph is like this, and keep the remainings as it is. Now the remaining vertices are, that is V6 and V5. Now add a V6 and V5 under the root R. Then the graph is like this. So this is our blank space. So now the tree will be in this manner. Now we have to assign a prefix 4 for this optimal tree. Left side edge is 0, right side edge is 1. Left side 0, right side 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 1, left side 0, right side 1, 0, 1. Now we have to assign for the R. Our optimal prefix code is 0, 0, 0, 0. For the A, 0, 0, 1. For the I, 1, 0, 0, 0. For the S, 1, 0, 0, 1. For the G, 0, 0, 1. For the blank space, 1, 0, 1. For the D, 0, 1. For the O, 1, 1. Now we have to write the code. Now we have to write the code for the given message, that is road space is space good. R having the code 4 times 0. O having the code 1, 1. A having the code 3 times 0, 1. S having the code 1, 0, 0, 1. Clear it is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now road is complete. Road is road is good. For the R we have a code 4 times 0. For the O having the code 2 times 1. A having the code 3 times 0, 1. D having the code 0, 1. Now blank space. For the blank space we have a code 1, 0, 1. For the I we have a code 1, 3 times 0. For the S we have a code 1, 0, 0, 1. S is completed. Now the blank space. For the blank space we have a code 1, 0, 1. Now for the G we have a code 0, 0, 1. For the O we have a code 1, 1. Again O we have a code 1, 1. For the D we have a code 0, 1. So that is the optimal prefix code for the given message. That is how to find out the optimal code for the given message, and also if the weights are given, how to construct the optimal tree. If the vertices are given, and how to find out the optimal code for the vertices, and how to construct the code for the given message.